In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vertical tabs in Chrome. If you find yourself working with a lot of tabs in Google Chrome and things start to look a bit messy, switching to vertical tabs can really help you stay organized. Vertical tabs allow you to view and manage your open tabs along the side of your browser window, instead of the usual horizontal row across the top. This makes it much easier to navigate if you tend to have a lot of tabs open at once, and you'll be able to see more information about each tab at a glance. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. As of now, Chrome doesn't have built-in vertical tabs like some other browsers such as Microsoft Edge. However, you can easily add this feature by installing an extension from the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and open the Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar, type in vertical tabs. You'll see several options appear. One popular choice is the Vertical Tabs extension, but feel free to explore and choose the one that looks best for your needs. Click on the extension you'd like to use, and then hit the Add to Chrome button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Approve it, and in just a moment, the extension will be added to your browser. You should notice a new icon for the extension, usually up in the top right corner of your browser window. Now that the extension is installed, click that new icon to get started. Your tabs will now appear vertically, typically along the left side of your screen. Depending on the extension, you can usually customize some of the appearance and behavior to suit your preferences. For example, you may be able to change the width of the tab panel, enable or disable tab previews, or even reorder your tabs by dragging them within the vertical panel. If you tend to keep a lot of tabs open, vertical tabs can make it much easier to identify which tab is which, since tab titles and icons are a lot more visible compared to the default horizontal view. You might also find it easier to group tabs, create new ones, or close the ones you don't need anymore. Just right-click on any tab in the vertical sidebar to reveal additional options like pinning tabs or moving them to a new window. Keep in mind that if you ever want to return to the default horizontal tabs, you can simply disable the extension. Just right-click its icon and choose Remove from Chrome, or use your extension manager to turn it off. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to enable and use vertical tabs in Chrome. This little tweak can make a big difference in your daily workflow, especially if you love having everything organized while you browse. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new tab setup.